kidding. If you asked me 7 months ago who I'd want to meet, no matter if they're living or dead, they would show up right in front of me, right that second, I wouldn't be able to tell you. Because I wouldn't know their name. But I know who they would be. It would be the person that I'd end up marrying, having a great life with. That's who I'd want to meet. But I wouldn't be able to tell you their name because I didn't know who it was until like 5 months ago. I had kind of a hunch. I kind of had a feeling who it was. I wasn't sure, but now I am sure. Which way you're holding it up?
I've been pizza free for a while.
Oh, you can just go Domino's Pizza, 5 little pizzas.
$5.95.
Yo, Jason Derulo, nice hat.
Something like that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. Tomorrow's video is about GGS and their robots. They're doing this thing that they pick 30 YouTubers and then they sponsor them. I've applied. I've got a bit of talk back, but I'm not sure. But I'm still gonna make the video anyway. So I hope you have enjoyed. And I'll see you.